Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today I'm here with another tutorial on how to fix your Chat GPT access denied. So to fix that, we should cookies in our browser. So for that, go to the upper right corner here, which we have three dots. Just click on that and go to settings. Here in the settings, search for privacy and security. Just click on that, and after that go and search for cookies and other site data. Click on that, and after that go all the way down to see all site data and permissions, and here on the search bar search for OpenAI, and here you will be able to see cookies of OpenAI. Just click on that trash and clear all the cache, and after that refresh or restart your browser, and then again try to open up Chat GPT, and this should work quite fine with you. And if this still doesn't work, then you can just go up on browser and search for a VPN. It can be any VPN. For example, I'm taking Hotspot Shield. Just open it up and it will take you to the website. Here you can start a free trial, or also you can go with paid version, and after that use this VPN and change your location, and again try to log into your Chat GPT, and after that it should be working quite fine. So yeah guys, this is how you solve this problem. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.